Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how the cache can be used for web applications in .NET. So the cache is, again, another key value pair collection, basically a dictionary, similar to application state, but it can be shared by multiple users. However, you can put more control or you can exercise more control on how long something stays in the cache than you can in application state. And cache is a property of the page class. So let's start up Visual Studio 2015, and we'll use an empty web forms application to demonstrate this. And I'm going to call it cache demo, place it on the desktop, and we'll make an empty web form application. And I'm going to add a web form which we'll call cache write.aspx. And we'll add a label, a text box, and a button. I'm just going to put some paragraph tags on here so that it organizes it on the page a little better. And in my page load, we're going to see if we have within the cache, which is a property of the page. In fact, if we go to definition on page, we can see that it exists right here. You can get the cache, you can't set the cache. It's a read-only property. And if there is something in there associated with the key cache 1, we'll just display it in the label. And then for my button, we're going to use the cache's add method. And we can add a variety of key value pairs. And we can add them using named parameters. So this first key value pair we're putting in is the keyword cache, and we'll associate, or actually we want it to be cache 1. And we're going to associate whatever's in the text box with the term cache 1. And we're going to set the dependencies to null, set an absolute expiration, and the cache class gives us a nice enumeration for this. And we're going to use no absolute expiration. We'll set sliding expiration to a time span of 30 minutes. And the priority needs to be a cache item priority. Again, I think I'm going to put a using directive here. So you can see here, there's a lot of parameters that we can set when we put something onto the cache. We can set it different. We can set its absolute expiration, its sliding expiration. So this will keep getting bumped up 30 minutes. We can set its priority, and we can actually pass in a delegate or a method to call back when it gets removed. So a lot more things we can control with the cache than with the application state. And we'll put in some text. Hit the button. I misspelled cache. Let's try this again. And we can see that our text is stored inside of the cache. So another way to store information, this will last, or we can control how long the information is stored in the cache a little bit better than we can with application state. So another option for storing state. Thank you.